Hello there, I'm Nate Cooper. Today I'm going to show you how you can record macros with the Alien G9 mouse from Armageddon. Uh, Recording macros in a game can be very useful. It can allow you to do a lot of versatile things that you couldn't normally do with any gaming peripheral. So let's take a look. When you first download the driver, which you can do so from www.armageddon.net, and you go to the support section, you'll be able to download these drivers for free. You can download them then and install them, and you'll come up to this splash screen at first on the driver, this home-based splash screen. It shows you a little bit of information about the mouse. This mouse in particular can go up to 6,000 CPI, 9 programmable buttons, and it has millions of colors that you can set it to glow to. Right now mine is pulsing a nice pink, so let's take a look at what they can do with the buttons as well. So you click on button setting and you'll come into this kind of next window, and there's quite a few options, so I'll guide you through this. From here, from this kind of menu, you can select your CPI, which goes from 800 to 6,000, and you can also select your polling rate, which is quite important for many gamers. And you can also reassign pretty much every button on the mouse to do something else. You also have 5 profiles that you can store different settings in if you have different settings for different games. So I'm going to teach you how to make macros, and specifically I'll use the example of buying a grenade in Counter-Strike Global Offensive. So what you want to do is you want to find the arrow that goes to the button that you want to reassign. In this case, for me, it's this mouse 4 button on the side of the mouse. I've already done this, but I'll show you anyway. So I click that, and I come down to macro programming. I click on that, and it will open this macro manager window. And what you want to do then, this won't be here, this is pre-recorded, but you want to click start record, and it will now go into record mode. So anything that you now press is being recorded. So if I wanted to buy a grenade in Counter-Strike, I press B64, stop record, and then I click OK. And it's as simple as that. Now my mouse 4 button is assigned to press B6 and 4 in that order, so that when I go into my game and I press mouse 4, I will buy a grenade. I'm Nate Cooper. Thank you very much.